What's up, you guys? So one of the biggest questions that I get asked is, how do I get my footage so smooth? And the answer to that is pre-stabilization and post-stabilization. And some of you might be wondering what the difference is. Pre-stabilization is everything that you're doing to stabilize your footage in real time, whether that be holding your camera as steady as you can or taking the most common route and using a gimbal. Post-stabilization is using your software to stabilize your footage in post, in programs such as Premiere Pro using the Warp Stabilizer. Of course, there's other software such as Final Cut Pro that has their own versions. Now that you know the differences, here are the reasons why you need both. When you're shooting, it's always best to get your footage as smooth as possible so that in post, your software can stabilize your footage at ease. If you don't, here's an example of what your footage may look like if you try to do it without it. As you can see here, the software is struggling to keep your footage stabilized, basically turning your footage into jello. As for what I use, I'm using the Ronin M Gimbal Stabilizer along with Premiere Pro. Let me know what you guys want to know next. See you in the next video.